What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to do a breakdown of a trade I took this morning. It is May 29th, 2025. We're going to be looking at the micro NQ, micro E-mini NASDAQ 100. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see this bearish 1 hour fair value gap. So this week we had a holiday on Monday, so we're starting the week on a Tuesday. And we see that midweek on Wednesday here, we finally started trading bullishly through this bearish 1 hour fair value gap. So as we were trading down this morning, we're dumping. I was very patient, looking for this area around 50% of that midpoint of this 1 hour now inversion fair value gap on the 1 hour. So using this as a type of support. And if we drop down, we can also see it here. So just about that midpoint, we kept rejecting off of that 400 level. And so we had this bullish breaker as well, where we had this low, high, lower low. We started to displace through. So buying off of this inversion fair value gap on the 1 minute, once we closed above there, tapped back in, being aggressive there, high risk entry. We came up here, we started to pull back. I took a partial just to take a little bit of profit in case I wanted to barrel through this again. Because underneath here on the daily, this blue box here is a daily fair value gap. So, but we were respecting here. So ended up entering again, and we respected that 1 minute fair value gap here. Bullish breaker and the inversion. Started bouncing off of this 21,450 level. And I was just targeting about midway of this 5 minute order block. So if we look on the 5 minute here, I lost my place there. If we look at the 5 minute here, we have this big green up close candle. So using the body there, we have this 5 minute bearish order block. So getting out there and there, right? If we kind of measure this order block here, like so, just about midpoint there. All right, so if we use just the bodies, just the body of this up close candle, same thing, about 50% there. So that's all I was targeting, was a return back up into that 5 minute order block, just inside of this bearish fair value gap as well here. Pull this over. So not quite there the whole way. So it didn't quite get there. But ultimately, we can see here around just before 10:30, we get that reversal. And then we have that 10:45 into 10:50 macro where it just runs back up into this PD ray. And then during the lunch, we smack right back down into that daily fair value gap. So I'm anticipating us to continue higher on the daily. So all we did was we pulled back into this daily fair value gap. So essentially we're probably looking to come back towards these highs up here. And into more than likely this bearish gap here. Okay, so some liquidity left up here. Also on the 1 minute, before I depart here, we can see for the second entry here, just about that 10:45 macro. If we look at the S&P, we can see, we'll move some of these PD rays here. We can see if we look at the S&P on the left here, we ended up going lower, but NQ was showing higher. So we had a smart money divergence there as well. cracking correlation. They're supposed to be correlated, and we did not have that there. Let's see, is there any other one? I think that was the only one I seen there. Right, so just about that macro, we've seen that SMT divergence as well, and was able to catch this run up here. All right, guys. So with that being said, if you like breakdowns like this and more in-depth, click the link in the description. Come join our VIP. We do have a free Discord, but you're missing out on so much when you're not in the VIP or get the bootcamp. Or if you do purchase my trading master course, you're going to get the bootcamp free, and I'll do a one-on-one with you. So go ahead and get that master course of my trading course. Of course, if you don't want or don't feel led to do it, don't get it. There's tons of free resources on YouTube alone, right? ICT has tons and tons of mentorship videos and free resources on YouTube alone. But if you want that more one-on-one approach, showing you exactly what you're looking for, different sessions and stuff like that, and tweaking your trading plan for you, because everyone's different, then go ahead and get the master course, get in that boot camp, and let's get a one-on-one set up. And I will talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and God bless everyone. Love you guys.